issues. Now, there are certain challenges. And if I come to the challenges, first is if telecom service provider want to put the Wi-Fi, they had to get the place, they had to have a agreement with them and all these things. And because of that, sometimes putting such Wi-Fi may not be cost effective. And there are lot many obligations on them, and therefore the very purpose of giving Wi-Fi is not there. So if we can encourage a framework under Wi-Fi can be provided by many people who may be having the thing, and make them your partner in providing the Wi-Fi, I think then situation can be improved to the great extent. Second is, if you see the cost of broadband which is being given by the fixed line as compared to the cost of broadband which is given by mobile, is mobile cheaper? No. Mobile given by fixed line is at least 10 to 15 times cheaper than the mobile given by the wireless networks as of now. Thirdly, we heard at different point of time that there are areas where there is a congestion on the wireless networks, and therefore they are not able to put another site, etc. So how to deal these type of issues? I personally feel that if such congested areas are there and telecom service provider can adopt to put the Wi-Fi sites over there and use these Wi-Fi sites as to offload their cellular traffic, it will be one of the great achievement which can be done in a very short time, and also it will be very user friendly, because user will not know as to how you are providing them services, and they are not concerned also that whether they are getting services from the wireless networks or they are getting services from the Wi-Fi networks. Second comes, is it that the spectrum is not available? No, sufficient spectrum is available, and if you look at it, the percentage of the availability spectrum and their utilization, I will say that spectrum available is underutilized. Of course, we have given spectrum in 2.4, we have also given spectrum in 5 gigahertz band, and there is a consideration that spectrum can be given 6 gigahertz band as well, but subject to the condition that if we are able to use the Wi-Fi. Now, if you look at international scenario where there is a estimate that around 169 million Wi-Fi hotspots were there in 2018, and likely to happen around 230 million Wi-Fi hotspots. And in that particular ratio, if you look at it, India should have shared about 100 million Wi-Fi hotspots. But unfortunately, the present Wi-Fi hotspots are 0.01%. So almost we are not there. So from that point of view, then what happened, why we are not able to do it? The basic problem looks into that there are certain licensing and regulatory challenges. It's not a technology challenge. It is not the device challenge. It is not the ecosystem challenge. It's something licensing and technology challenges. TRAI has given a recommendation in about 2 years back where they have encouraged WANI structure. In that we are telling that allow everybody, whosoever can put the Wi-Fi hotspot to become this thing. Let us have a unbundled network scenario where everybody who can contribute in that particular area should be able to do it. Why to make one individual responsible to provide all the requirement of providing the Wi-Fi, rather than make small unbundled solutions where a group of people can combine together, do best in their own field, and therefore can provide the Wi-Fi. So here we have recommended unbundled and distributed model, which is using India stake, and with this India stake we can provide a very good connectivity using Wi-Fi, where all security concerns can be addressed, where all technological concerns can be addressed, some licensing framework concerns where 8% etc. is being charged, and that has become a big of the bottleneck, that can also be addressed to great extent. Now, I also like to flag